Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a YouTube channel. First, visit your YouTube channel studio. If you don't know how to arrive at this page, just type studio.youtube.com. After arriving on this page, just click on Settings. A new window pops up. Go to Channel and click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Remove YouTube Content. If you're asked to fill in your password, just fill it like that. Click on Next. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. Check the box next. The following be permanently deleted: comments, replies, YouTube gifts, and search and watch history. Also, check this box next to any paid subscription that you own. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. So check this box next to any paid subscription that you own. Now click on delete my account and type your email address. As you can see, this will permanently delete all YouTube content, including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, messages, search history, and watch history. This can't be restored. Now fill in your email address and hit delete my content. As you see, your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have lots of content. Now let's go to youtube.com again to see if my channel is deleted yet. I think my channel is not yet deleted. Let's visit it. And now all you need to do is to just wait a couple of hours and check again. And this is how to delete a YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.